Alright, YouTube, Midnight Wolf here, and I'm back talking about this Ryobi LINK. As you can see right there, I got some new boxes, so I'll let you know a little bit about those. This is my follow-up to my first video, where that top box right there had issues with latching. And we'll get into that here in just a little bit, but first, let me know about my sponsor. Me! I purchased all this. No one else. Ryobi didn't sponsor this. Anyone else that's mentioned in the video did not sponsor this. So, it's me! I'm my sponsor. And, so let's begin. I don't have no intro. Anyways, this setup, I plan on using it. But as you can remember, this box right here had trouble with latching. Let me take that off. Push down on it. And as you can see, everyone knows there's your front button. That's not even popped out all the way. And I can just go. That's a bad product design. Everything else is supposed to click right in. And that's why I have that box right there. I got the crate too. We'll get into that here in just a little bit, but let me show you something. This is just how easy this is. Let me take the crate off. Let me set this right here. It's right there. Barely pushed down. And, oh look. It's going to stay. Same test. That is a defective box. We're going to get into that here in just a minute. A little bit more into that. But first, let me tell you about this box here. I bought this box in store at the Home Depot, which is why it took me so long to get a follow-up video to this. Bought it up in Schererville, Indiana. Other stores have gotten stuff in and since then, but not all stores have them in store. They're getting in store now though, so your store may have them. But as you can see, you know, everything's good. I mean, it's got, that little thing right there. I noticed if you're rough, that will pop out. I still have not used this. I do still plan on using it, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. I plan on using it for DJ equipment, and the main reason is because of this gasket. Makes it a nice watertight seal whenever I'm hauling my stuff, so it's perfect for my DJ equipment. Yeah, it's labeled for tools, but y'all use it for whatever you want to use it. The other reason why I got this box, and technically I'm actually kind of just noticing it. There is something that Vince from VCG Construction was talking about the other day. And look at this. You can see it clearly right there. That ain't sealed. I don't know what's going on there. As you can see. Oh, look. That is a strong ridge right there. Sorry, my work phone. As you can see, you still got a gap. Not as pronounced as that though. And there, the gap isn't hardly even there. We might do some extra testing, but yeah, you can see right there there's a huge gap. I don't think that's going to be too big of an issue for what I'm using it for. But the issue it's going to present though is it's not going to present an issue as long as that right there, focus, as long as that right there is right there on that ledge, on that little piece that sticks up, it'll still seal. So I'm not too worried about that. But and then to prove that this box right here, the original box, wasn't that good, let me stack it again. Let me try to stack this thing again. You heard it try to click. Well, there, that time it clicked. That time it didn't. Didn't click. And I can still just go. Yes, I am being rough with it. But as you can see, not doing anything else than what this right here is. Just flip that up, barely push down, and I can almost pick the whole thing up. No issues whatever. I'm basically saying, buyer beware with this product. Now, I got this crate. It looks a little bit shallower than what the Milwaukee one is. Might be the same size. I don't know. I don't have the Milwaukee. But with the crate, oh, that snapped on just fine. And so people can see what it looks like with all three boxes and a crate. Okay. Thing about the crate though is it's got those notches on the back where if you're using the Ryobi LINK stuff on your wall, it's going to slide right in. So you have that extra storage. But I'm going to tell you one, I'm just going to be honest with you. This system Ryobi came out with a few months ago. They had a video, invite a bunch of YouTubers and people into their place of business where they manufacture it. Videos were great, and I ended up I saw the videos that VCG Construction uploaded of it, and I loved it. Ryobi had this simple setup, and it really is great what they showed. I'll probably put a link to it below. Still learning how to really do the YouTube stuff, so I don't have I can't put like a link up here or anything like that, but yeah, I'll put a link below to that video. So I really wanted to like this product. Let me tell you something. As it stands right here, you got the big box, you got that, and you got that, and you've seen the boxes in the last video if you saw it. If not, I recommend watching it. It's okay. That setup right there is perfect. Mind you, yeah, you got that little bit of a gap there, but it does look like it's sealed. I mean, if I can get it to focus. I mean, it does look sealed to me. Yep. As you can see, not as good as it should be, but you can see the black on gasket sitting on there, providing some kind of seal. We may test that later. Whether or not that really is sealed. But yeah, I bought this because it's supposed to be a great system. I liked it better than pack out. I could just pop the boxes off, pop them back on, real easy, just barely go like that. Click, 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 and get out of my DJ gigs. And hey, what am I saying? It says, and I was going to tell you guys, what I was going to tell you guys was I had a fluke in this box right here. This box does not want to click in. And I just had one bad box. It's at Home Depot today. My local Home Depot. And depending upon which Home Depot you go to, I am getting some good boxes, some bad boxes. Some boxes where it's got that issue right there. Some boxes where it's got, where they're not even clicking in, like that one. So, yeah. I don't know what to tell you guys. Basically what I'm saying is, do not buy this setup online. You cannot guarantee that Ryobi's going to send, that Home Depot is going to send you a good setup. So buyer beware. Do not buy this online. Go to your store if you want it and pick it up and test them out. Put the boxes together. Make sure everything is fitting. Be a little rough with them. And if they think you're crazy, let them think you're crazy. You're buying the product, not them. If it doesn't hold up, then it don't hold up. But look for gaps in your box tops. Stuff that does not want to click in. I can get this one to click in if I push on the sides, but I have to push really hard. But stuff, it should just go like that. Oh yeah, that's not how Ryobi's designed it. I talked with the reps at Ryobi, and that is not how it's designed. Don't know what's going on, but yeah. I mean, the last video, I sat on it, and it still didn't click in. And then, as you can see, let me take them all off. Okay. Let me just set that on there. Click. Okay, we're good. That one's clicked in. Hold on. That one didn't click in. Uh-oh. Maybe I didn't get it lined up. Okay. That's the good box. Push down. Okay, didn't have it lined up. Push this one down. We're good. Okay, it's lined up. Everything's lined up. Push down. As you can see, I'm pushing down just like the other ones, and it ain't popping out. I literally have to almost get from the sides, and I'm not doing that. As you can see, sometimes it will lock in, but like right here. Okay, call me a liar. And There, it don't want to lock in. As you saw, it locked in 3 times. This time it didn't. That time, it locked in. Make sure it should be lined up. Did not lock in. That's the issue that we're having. Like I showed you, you can get it to lock in. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like bang, 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 everything good. And as you can see, this is the new one. There. Click. What the heck? And get it lined up properly. It clicks in. Clicks in. Clicked right in. And then the box, and the crate. Watch. Okay, crate's trying to call me a liar. There we go. Crate's in. I don't know. All I'm telling you guys is beware what you're buying. Ryobi does not have a winner right now with me in this setup. Clicked right in. Well, I've probably taken up too much of your time already, but this stuff has to be told. And then, as you can see, it's the way that this box, that the crate is designed. It looks like well, I was able to get that to click in. The crate is designed for you to put multiple stuff on top, as long as you don't exceed the weight. Wow, okay, let's, since this is the bad one. I'm sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. As you can see, it locks in really good. Okay. Sorry, I just noticed that feature on here. So let's put this on here. Lock her in. Now here's the good box. As you can see, that's locked in. Ryobi designed it so you can put other boxes on top of your here and still have access to some stuff in here. That's a good design, but overall, just beware of what you're buying. Go to the store. Do not buy this set online. And with that, I'll let you go. It's been Midnight Wolf. Peace.